Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. So in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device right now, so what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off.
For that, you'll have to turn off airplane.
After your device turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the second option, wipe data. Then select wipe all data and confirm. And after a few seconds, all the data from your device will be erased, including your lock screen password. Then you select reboot to system, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.